Well, hello. I just wanted to pop in with my friend Derrick to share with you that we are so excited. This is an author's copy of Build Your Clear Vision. It is so new that it even still says not for resale. But we are launching this in combo with the Clear Vision Builders Experience and want to invite you to join us for this 8-week container to bring your idea, even if it's fuzzy, into reality using this framework. And I'm a transformational coach, I'm a personal brand strategist, and so excited to partner with Derrick, who is also a transformational coach and expert in somatic work and meditation and energy. So, hello, Derrick.
Hi, Lisa. Thank you so much for bringing me along on this journey. I'm so excited to be working with everybody who's interested and committed to bringing out and living out their clear vision. And the things that I'm going to be bringing to the table is this way of really settling the mind and body. So we're not always functioning at this like high anxiety level so that your clear vision and your voice can come out. But more importantly, how to maintain it throughout the process, having this place to come back to so that the best versions of you can always show up.
Yeah, I love that. Really creating from a place of who you are now and who you are becoming. And that possibility of that person, along with the map, the plan, the strategy in order to get there, is my intention. And I love to bring this partner along because I know I can get a little bit high there on the energetic level. But, right, bringing along the calm, especially in the world right now and who we're being, it's so, so important.
Along with, really staying in your seat or what I like to call your throne of power and operating from that place and noticing when you get hijacked a little bit, those voices that come in and tell you that you're not good enough. I think together with the container that we're creating, we're going to be able to really help people move past that and get to where they're really looking to go.
Yes. All right. So, friends, we have got the Build Your Clear Vision workbook. I am ready to press publish on this October 15. And if you join us between October 15 to 18, you get the early bird pricing. And after that, the price is raised. So if this is in any way calling you, I want to encourage you to take that leap and trust in yourself and join us now.
I second every word that you just said. Run, don't walk.